Well, I measured and cut. So what I did was I used the template to create this curved edge right here, very subtle curve, and then made a straight line here. From my measure previously, I knew it was 2 5/8 inch right at that point between that and the solid surface. Previously, I made this part, which is there. I notched it like that on both ends, wedged it in here, had to use a hammer to knock it down in here. But now this part of the curve is great, but in front of it isn't quite like it's supposed to be. So that's why I made this other part here. So now what I'll do is I'll take this, stick it in here, and as I wedge this in, it's going to push the outer surface to the right contour. And theoretically, when that line right there lines up with that edge right there, the outside should match the template. Let me see. We'll grab the template here. Put the template against the side of the car. And put it in place. And there you can see